In a small village, nestled beside a whispering willow, lived a kind boy named Omar. Omar loved plants more than anything. He spent hours tending his small garden, coaxing life from every seed and sapling. One day, an old woman with eyes as deep as the summer sky and a smile as warm as the afternoon sun gifted him a tiny golden seed. "Plant this with love," she whispered, her voice like rustling leaves, "and it will bring happiness." Omar, his heart brimming with hope, carefully planted the seed in the richest patch of his garden. He watered it daily, whispering words of encouragement. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, but nothing sprouted. The villagers, initially intrigued, soon began to laugh. "Just another useless seed," they scoffed, their words like icy needles. Doubt, a tiny weed, began to sprout in Omar's own heart. But Omar was persistent. He continued to nurture the earth around the seed, his love unwavering. He spoke to the seed, telling it stories of the sun's warmth and the rain's gentle touch. He sang to it, his voice a gentle melody against the backdrop of the village's chatter. He weeded around it, protecting it from the harshness of the world. He believed, even when his heart felt heavy with the villagers' ridicule. One crisp morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of rose and gold, Omar woke to a sight that stole his breath away. Where the tiny golden seed had lain dormant, now stood a magnificent tree, its branches laden with gleaming golden fruits. The fruits radiated a warm, gentle light, casting a golden glow upon the entire village. The air was filled with a sweet, intoxicating fragrance